In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Behance profile. Whether you've decided to take a break or move on to other platforms, this guide will help you walk through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Behance account. You can do this by heading over to the Behance website, which you can find at behance.net. Once you're there and you see your homepage, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. It's your gateway to all personal settings and options. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you will select Account Settings. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, just scroll through until you find it. When you've clicked on Account Settings, you will be taken to a page where you can manage any aspect of your account. Now, you need to scroll down to find the section aptly named Delete Account. They've made this fairly straightforward to locate, thankfully. When you see it, look for the option that says Delete Behance Account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to proceed with the deletion. At this stage, Behance will require you to confirm your identity. To do this, enter your Adobe ID password when asked. This step ensures that it's really you who wants to delete the account and prevents unintended deletions. Once you've typed in your password, you'll see the final option. Yes, delete my account. By clicking this, you affirm that you want to permanently remove your Behance profile. Your account is now deleted, and you no longer have a presence on Behance. Now remember, this action is irreversible. Once deleted, your profile, all your projects, appreciations, and your follower list are gone for good. So, make sure this is really what you want to do. If there's even a slight chance you might want to come back in the future, consider other options. For instance, rather than permanently deleting your profile, if privacy is your primary concern, you can always set your projects to private. This option allows you to maintain your account and content while keeping everything hidden from other users. It's a great middle ground if you're uncertain about leaving the platform entirely. Finally, it's important to emphasize that deleting your Behance profile does not affect your Adobe account as a whole. Your access to other Adobe services like Creative Cloud and Photoshop remains intact, so you can continue using them freely. Thank you for tuning into this instructional guide, and I hope you found it helpful. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out.